Hello everyone, my name is Kate. My team name is 𝑃HCRFS11 and my team ID is SG22.3.6. I have participated in Singapore Open 2021 CoSpace Rescue U19 First Steps as well as RCAP 2021 CoSpace Rescue Aichi Japan. I am currently participating in CoSpace Rescue First Steps U19, and the challenge is to collect as many objects as possible and deposit successfully and gain points. My strategy is to wall follow once I collect 6 objects, which is the maximum, and I find it slightly effective. So I think that for this map, wall following is necessary. About wall following, there are 2 types of wall following I know about. There are the parallel wall following and the arc wall following. First of all, parallel wall following means to turn slightly to be parallel to the wall. For example, turn to the right slightly when the wall is on the left and turn to the left slightly when the wall is on the right. The advantages of using this method is that you can get to deposit boxes on the sides or corners of the maps quickly, but you might get stuck between obstacles and the wall. The next type of wall following is the arc wall following. It means to move away from and towards the wall in curves. For example, turn left or right away from the wall and instead move to turn left or right. The advantages is that it will not get stuck between obstacles easily and can get to the deposit boxes on the sides or corners of the map quickly, but it might spin around in circles if it did not detect the wall. This is a short recording of a round on the preliminary map, and the video is slightly sped up. You can see from here the robot has entered the deposit box and have successfully deposited. In this blue area, the points from the objects picked up inside will be doubled. Sadly, my robot got stuck in between this obstacle and the wall and it got relocated. But anyways, it went into the deposit area and deposited. And since I got RGB and I've deposited, I'll gain double the points. Now I have 1 set of RGB as well as another black and red, and I've successfully deposited. And now my points are up to 655. It got stuck again over here, but at least I have 1 set of RGB as well as 1 black and cyan. It got relocated again, but sadly went back to where it was trapped. But then anyways, it was relocated again and deposited successfully. After depositing and getting a few more objects, my final result was 1,165 points. The CoSpace Rescue Simulator is very similar to search and rescue robots. I found out that there were 3 types of search and rescue robots, which were the unmanned ground, marine, and aerial vehicles. They are used for mapping and maneuvering of disaster areas after natural disasters, terror attacks, accidents, explosions, and many more. They assist rescue efforts by searching, mapping, removing rubble, delivering supplies, providing medical treatment, or evacuating casualties. Some of them use ultrasonic sensor, coordinates, color sensor, thermal sensor, and more. Their similarities is that the CoSpace Rescue Simulator searches and picks up objects and deposits them, while search and rescue robots searches and carries out the action and continues what they are doing. For example, when buildings have collapsed, the search and rescue robots would try to find people by either following a fixed path through the rubble and maybe detecting people by using a thermal sensor, which will then lead other people on site to find and help them. After all, I would say that this CoSpace Rescue competition is preparing us to help and protect the future to become a safer place. I hope you all enjoyed and learned something new. Please consider liking this video. Thank you.
Thank you.